Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hi guys, this is me Hesha, and today I have decided to share my 5 favorite red lipsticks that I've been using over the years, and I absolutely swear by them. The thing is that when I did a video on the lipsticks that are best suited for Indian skin on a budget, you guys gave in so much love, so I thought that why not also share my 5 red lipsticks, because you know what? Red is the color of love, and in monsoons everybody feels romantic. So if you guys want to know what my top 5 red lipsticks are, keep on watching. So in no particular order, I'm just gonna pick any lipstick that comes to me first. This one is from Colorbar. It's called Take Me As I Am, and I feel that the name is so quirky that it just had to be in my kitty. But other than that, it's a beautiful shade too, so let me swatch it on my hand and then on my lip and show it to you guys. The second one that I'm gonna try and swatch it for you guys is this one from Smashbox, and it's in the shade Boss. And I really like this name as well because Boss Babes! Let me swatch it on my hand and then swatch it on my lip and show it to you guys what this color is all about. Up next, we've got this one from Maybelline. It is their Superstay Matte Ink, and this is shade 25 Heroine. I think I've just picked really apt lipstick names. Let's swatch it and see what this color looks like. Up next, I have got this lipstick from The Body Shop, and this is in the shade Color Crush. This is a beautiful red that looks really nice, and I have seen Jacqueline Fernandez carry this lipstick in her bag too, so I think that's her go-to shade, and it kind of also is my go-to shade, so let's swatch it. Last but not the least, I have MAC's lipstick with me, and I don't even need to tell you the shade because I'm 100% sure this one's Ruby Woo, and Ruby Woo by MAC is, I think, an absolute global favorite. So let me swatch it in case you don't know what the shade looks like. So guys, these were my top 5 red lipsticks that I absolutely swear by. If you happen to give any of these a shot, definitely comment below and let me know. If by chance y'all have a red lipstick that probably I haven't tried before and you think I should give it a shot, do let me know that as well. And if by chance you guys are some of those who've never worn a red lipstick before, definitely try it on, and if you do happen to try, comment and let me know. And as I always say, do the usual. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Pinkvilla. I'll see you next time. Bye.